Now observe the animation to understand its working. Processes in the blast furnace. Let us understand the processes that take place in the blast furnace stepwise. Introduction of charge. The charge is introduced into the furnace through cup and cone arrangement. Introduction of hot blast. Simultaneously, a hot blast of air is introduced into the furnace through the tuyeres. Combustion of coke. Coke present in the charge burns in the hot air, producing carbon dioxide, generating more heat. Production of carbon monoxide, the reducing agent. The carbon dioxide formed rises up and reacts with the incoming coke, forming carbon monoxide. Production of hematite. Carbon monoxide formed is a powerful reducing agent. It reduces hematite to iron. Decomposition of limestone. Due to the heat generated, limestone decomposes, forming calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Formation of slag. Quicklime CaO, thus formed, acts as a flux and combines with sand, an acidic impurity, converting it into calcium silicate, an easily fusible mass. This mass is called slag. The iron formed is collected at the bottom of the furnace, and the slag forms a layer on it. It protects the molten iron from oxidation. The iron obtained by this process is called pig iron. It contains carbon as an impurity.